This is the oldest thing ever, and for most people this is absolutely nothing new. But I wanted to show you how it's possible to change anything that you see on your screen without using any programs like Photoshop or something like that. It's actually very easy, very quick. So let's go to any website, Google maybe. I will show you how to do it. So first things first, we can open any website. I'm using Chrome right now, but I think most browsers support this. So what we want to do is right click on exact thing that we wish to change and locate the very last option that should be inspect or inspect object. Now we do it twice to locate. So the first time it's going to open the sidebar on the right, and the second time we can specifically locate where the exact data is stored on our screen. Now whatever we change here is going to change the specific instance. It's not going to change the website, it's just what we see. So whenever we're going to reload the page or refresh it, it's going to be back to normal. So for example, if I wish to change whatever is written on this button, I simply just change it in this panel, the value. So let's just change it to this button does nothing. And there we go. Now this button says it does nothing. We can do the same thing with the other button as well. Let's say this also does nothing. And as soon as we change it in the panel, it also shows it right here. So now we just close this panel and then we can save it. Take a screenshot, Snapchat maybe. Speaking of Snapchat, if you wish to take a snapshot instead of a full screenshot on Windows, then what you have to do is press 3 keys at the same time. It's going to be Shift, Windows key and S, and then we can just select the part that we want to screenshot. Now to save this, there are actually a lot of ways. You can paste it somewhere. I'm gonna open Paint, for example, so we can actually paste it into Paint, and then you can save it from here maybe into an actual file. Alright, now let's go over to YouTube. I want to show you another cool thing. So let me go over to any video. I actually don't know. Okay, let's go to the oldest YouTube video. So here we can use the exact same thing, the exact same right panel to also remove something or change something. For example, if we wish to remove this toolbar and for us to like take a screenshot without this here, we can do that by opening the panel and then just pressing delete. So once we select the thing, we just press delete and it's just gonna delete it from our screen. Now this is useful in a lot of ways. Sometimes we want to take a screenshot and there is something in front of it, maybe some overlay that we don't like, we can literally just delete it. Now keep in mind, it is only visible to our screen. If we reload this page, it's going to be back to normal. Also about comments, let's say you need a comment from someone in your video maybe, but you don't like their name. It will take a long time to change it in Photoshop because of the specific font. So if the person has like rude name or whatever, we can just change it. For example, we can just like shorten it maybe. Same thing with photo. If they have an inappropriate photo, we can just delete it. We can also make the actual comment, maybe we can change it, maybe shorten it. And then once again, taking a quick snap of this. So Windows key, Shift and S all together. Now going straight back to Paint, Ctrl P to paste it. So yeah, this is gonna stay like this until we refresh the page. So you can take pictures, maybe you need something for a video, maybe you can show something to someone in person. We can do a lot of things with this. Maybe someone wish to have a screensaver with some epic picture of number that they wish to achieve one day. You can easily do that with this within a few seconds. Now be careful with this, okay? With great power comes great responsibility. Don't get yourself in trouble, use it wisely, don't spread hate. If you are going to prank someone, remember there are limits, and if you go beyond them, it's not going to be funny, so don't make fool out of yourself, be smart with this, and well, try to keep it to yourself, unless you are actually already in trouble and you have to explain yourself, well then don't lie, and tell them what you did and why you did. Don't lose friends over this. Be cool, be funny, be creative, and yeah, just be smart with this. I think that's the best way to put this. Yeah, anyway, I hope this video was interesting, enjoyable, fun. Hopefully you learned something new, and yeah, I see you next time.